Hi everyone! Welcome back! You know, sometimes you just want to express your affection for someone close in your life, but you just don't have the words to tell them how you feel. Lucky for you, I'm here to help. Here's how you say, I love you, in 12 different languages. Here we go! Ich hab dich lieb. Ich hab dich lieb. We use this word in Yiddish in a sense of liking something, with a family member, or in a romantic way. Jeg elsker deg. Jeg elsker deg. This is only used in a romantic way. To express your love to friends and family, you would say, Jeg glad i deg. Jeg glad i deg, which also means, I am fond of you. אני אוהב אותך. אני אוהב אותך. This is the version used when it's a male speaking to a female. If it's the other way around, it'd be אני אוהבת אותך. אני אוהבת אותך. אוהבת is used when the first person is female. And the word for you changes accordingly as well to the sex of the person being spoken to. Ich liebe dich. Ich liebe dich. Jag älskar dig. Jag älskar dig. Minä rakastan sinua. Minä rakastan sinua. Or in spoken Finnish, rakastan sua. Rakastan sua. Jag älskar dig. Jag älskar dig. Milujetia. Milujetia. Hagul akum orst. Hagul akum orst. Ma armastansin. Ma armastansin. Je t'aime. Je t'aime. Jag älskar dig. Jag älskar dig. And there you have it. Try to impress someone you love today by telling them one of these above phrases. Do you have any words or phrases you'd like to hear in these languages? If so, leave them in the comments below. And as usual, tack för idag, להתראות, tschüss and auf Wiedersehen!